Hello, everyone. If you are looking for how to download your WhatsApp status to your phone, let me show you how to do it. First of all, go to Settings and tap on Control Center. And make sure that your screen recording app is active. If it is not active, you can activate it by clicking on the plus button on the left. Then go to your WhatsApp status and open the WhatsApp status you want to download. You have two options here. If your WhatsApp status you want to download is a photo, you can take a screenshot and download it to your phone. If it is a video, you can record the video by opening screen recording from your phone's control center. After you are done recording, stop the video and go into the edit of the video you downloaded, and you can crop the corners of your video. This will make your video look much more natural, and you can send it to anyone you want. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.